Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making a video of another TTRock style game. So in this game I'm going to be playing single player, soundcheck, garage and one multiplayer festival. So there's a battle going on right now. This is a battle. Right now it's finishing in a few seconds and I'm first. Today it'll finish at 2:30. Sorry if you don't understand, I'll say 14:30. So it's finishing in a few seconds. 13th November to 13th December, and today's the 13th December, and I'm first. So it's finishing in a few seconds. I think if we reload this page, the battle, actually, I'll show this. I'll show this to you. So, it started on the 13th December, ended on the 13th December, started on the 13th November, and yeah, I thought you knew. So, yeah. As you can see, I was first there. So, I think if I reload this page, the battle will be ended. So, should we do it? Okay. Should we do it in 10 seconds? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we'll reload it now. Okay. Finishes in 6 hours. Now what happened here? Oh, it's quite weird. What happened? Oh, I got it now. So, so I know why there's two. Because I reloaded it, the other one ended. This was the one that today, like this one was the one that just ended just now, and is completed. Yeah. So, when I reloaded the page, it didn't straight away finish all of them and start the new one. It just finished one. So in play 2, and this is finishing in 6 hours, and this is finishing in 6 hours. Forget about this game now, it's done. So these two games. So when I go pupil results, I'm Oakwood. As you can see, I'm first as well, and the same person is second. There are a lot of people. Yeah. And when I click on this is for the whole school. I'm in for Jaguar, so you come on, it's so close to be fast. But maybe won't. And I'm first. Even he's in my class. So that's why I'm saying for Jungle. So yeah. Now we'll start our games. First we're gonna play a festival. Okay, so as you can see, I got 93 coins, 93 correct, 1 incorrect, and my speed is 0.65 seconds per question. And as you can see, I came first out of 78. So, we played our game for festival. Now we're going to play a 1-minute garage. Check it out. Actually, let's play 2-minute. Okay, I'll say 3. I'll say 3. So I can get 200. As you can see, I passed Rock Legend. Now I'm going to pass Rock Hero if I get more than 180 when I am. I'm nearly close to passing Rock Hero when I am one. Oh, boom. As you can see, I passed Rock Hero now. As you can see now, I've got 200, more than 200. Because I'm playing a 3-minute. And in 3-minute, I can get 200 correct. Like more than 200. Ooh. Okay, so as you can see, I got 2,640 coins, 264 correct, 2 incorrect, and my speed is 0.68 seconds per quest. So, now we finished that garage, we're going to play a sound check. Can I show you something quickly? You know how sound check is? Like sound check, you know, it has a timer in it for 6 seconds. Like you have to answer each question in 6 seconds. If you don't answer a question in 6 seconds, the answer will become wrong. You can read this. Playing the sound check when your ranks are about to soar further in the studio. You'll have 25 questions and only 6 seconds for each question. Questions go up to 12 times 12, but are multiplication only. How close can you get to 25 out of 25. In my previous videos of TTRock stars, as you can see, my speed, like 6-year-old playing TTRock star. I don't remember the heading. Whatever. As you can see, I was 16th, but now I'm 23rd. Okay, forget about that. Let's just play the game. That's how the timer is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If it touches 6 and you still haven't answered the question, it will become as wrong. Or if you do it like less than 6 seconds, but if you like, okay, for example, 8 times 8, the answer is 64. And if you put 56, that'll count as wrong. I'm getting all of them correct. Oh. Be careful. You guys don't do it fast. Because if I do a question and the opposite number can come. So that's why I got that question wrong. Careful. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, I got all of the questions right except for 9 times 8. It's 72, but I kept 27. And as you can see, my speed is still 23. As you can see, my thingy changed to 25. Yeah. So, when I show you charts, this is me, I'm third. I'm third here. All the rock heroes are here, then it changes to rock legends, then rock stars, then, oh, there are too much rock legends and rock stars. You get it. Now I'm going to tell you what these are. Like, I think you all know, but I'll just tell you. Like, play is just this thing, you know. Shop is where you buy stuff. Like, t-shirt means. Battles mean, I just showed you. And bands mean all your classmates. They show you all your classmates. But when I click on leaderboard, I'm first here. It's 1 to 9 out of 30 here. And I'm first here. Next is 10 to 18 out of 30. So he's 10, he's 11, she's at 11, he's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So now it's 19 to 27 out of 30. Like, so he's 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26 and 27. And next is 28 to 30 out of 30. And 28, 29, 30. But you might be thinking, if I'm first here, why am I not first here? Because he has more current coins than me, and even he's first here because he has more lifetime coins than me. there is a slightly different thing in current coins and lifetime coins. Current coins means like you get coins when you play games, and when you go to the shop, you waste that money, like you spend that money on whatever you want to buy. So I have when I go on profile, it will show all my thingies. I have 220,589 current coins, and my lifetime coins are 302,536. Now I forgot to tell you what lifetime coins are. So lifetime coins, they are like how much you've been on TTRock stars, like for like that much money you get. So stars, it'll show how much you've been. So like how much you've been doing stuff. Even when I go on settings, you can choose your color. I like a black, purple, so I'll just keep it. And you have general settings, privacy options, and game settings. Hide practice clock, hide scoring, hide number pad, enable vibrations, enable sound effects, enable music, and there's invert number pad. Like this is how the number pad is, but when I invert it, it changes like that. But when I'm doing it on a phone, I can't do it properly with this one, so I just leave it like this. This is a teleport. If you have been given a teleport, click the button below. I don't need that. App version, privacy notice. Yeah, and all there are settings here. This is the setting place. So, I think this is I hope you like my video. Please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.